What's good? Alright. So I'm gonna do a draw my life. My memory ain't that good, so like, it's gonna be kinda hard. Alright, so I'm gonna draw people. Okay, so here's here's my mom. Here's my dad. This is my dad. And so they fucked, alright? And then they meet. This is what baby me was like. I had the same hair shape and everything. Okay. Well, when I went to school, I'm gonna draw me at school, hold on. It's gonna be funny. I did not close my eyes like that. It's okay. Messy hair in the mornings, you know how that go. So school's gonna be red. School's gonna be red. Let's make it, this is McDonald's school. Let's make it McDonald's, yeah, cause like my name. But it was also like McDonald's, that's the place. Okay. So, this is my school. Alright, whatever, so the door's not gonna be there. Okay, so let's just draw it. Okay. Here's the door. Okay. So, I was a fucking stupid kid. I'm like, this is school. My parents were like, fuck it, we don't care about him, we'll take him there. So they kicked me in there, and I stayed there. I lived at my school. Like, I didn't go home at all. Like, there were a couple times I went home, but like, no, most of the time, I didn't go home. So, I was like, yeah. So, time passed, and as time passed, I didn't. So I got older. But all these other fucking kids are still like in like 5th grade and shit. I'm supposed to be in 6th grade, but now they hold me back. So I'm like, it was good. So the kids are the same age. Fast forward, I'm supposed to be in high school. I'm here. And these little fuckers are like, what the fuck are you doing here? And I'm just like, I don't know, man. I'm just doing my best. And, so, middle school is when I started making videos. So that helped me a lot. Cause all these fucking kids, they had a bunch of shit like, I don't know, they were playing like Minecraft or something. Like, they would always play Minecraft and Five Nights at Freddy's and watch PewDiePie, and I was like, on the fucking thing. I was like, you guys suck. Okay, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make this a career. I think I should speak my mind on everything, and I want to. So, on YouTube. God, this website fucking sucks! Anyways. I made my first YouTube video in like 26. I just threw up in my mouth. But So YouTube, so YouTube, I was like, hey, let's make some fucking YouTube videos, yeah? And they got some views. A lot of people told me like, hey, are you that Ryan McDonald guy? I'm like, yeah, that's me. They're like, God, I'm gonna fucking stab you. Alright, so, so I really like the videos I was making. But unfortunately, the flow of the steam I was letting out was a little unhealthy. I was letting out my anger way too fast. So, I was in a coma. What the doctor was like? The doctor had the fucking thing. He just, okay, I can't draw the doctor shit. So you can give him a clipboard with shit on it. Give him there's nothing doctors have, the thing. It's fucking terrible. So the doctor, so the doctor over here, he was like, oh shit. Seems like your son, it seems like your son is going to be in a coma for roughly 4 years. He said it to my parents. Here's the funny part. My parents didn't fucking show up. Turns out, and I was still living at the school, turns out, they fucking told me, oh, your parents are dead. But turns out that was a fucking lie. Because guess what? They're still alive. They just really fucking hate me. Alright. So what happened? No. So what happened? I woke up. I woke up from my coma. And I was like, hey man, I'm gonna make some of the best fucking videos ever. And I've been mentally preparing myself for this. In my school, and I was like, you know, so I'm in high school, right? And I'm like trying to figure out why I can't go outside because of the corona shit. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is going on? But the teachers were like, you know, at YouTube. So, the teachers, they were like, okay, so like, you're taking class online, right? But you're so far behind, let's just give you the diploma, man. You get the diploma. You made the sandwich. You get that shit for free. And I'm like, I'm thinking like, what? Because this was just when I got out of my coma. I was like, why can't I go outside? So I was like, okay. I was like, what? I was like, okay, cool. So I'm here. What now? Basically, I still live at the school. They give me free housing and shit. For what reason? I don't fucking know. It's not red, whatever. They were like, okay, you do all the janitor stuff. So like they gave me shit. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do janitor stuff. But every time I go into the fucking school, they're like, no, like, shut up! Make a fucking decision. So they pay me and they give me free housing in return for my janitor duties. They don't fucking need me. I try to help. They fucking reject my help. Whatever, I'm getting free shit. So, I'm hoping to move out of the school in a little bit of time now. Hopefully I can use my school experience, put it on my resume and get a job at, I don't know, Dairy Queen or something. Because right now I'm getting noise complaints from my fucking school. The principal's always like, you can't be saying in front of kids. I'm not in front of kids. You can't be saying like, fuck up. I'll do what I want. That's my life. I hope you guys enjoyed.